Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Felli flip type stackable storage containers for your kitchen. These canisters feature a built-in scoop holder to keep your measuring tools right where you need them. The patented ring flip lock lid creates an airtight seal to keep your pantry staples fresh and dry. You can easily open and seal these containers with just one hand using the smooth flip top mechanism. Each shatterproof container is made from BPA-free material and is safe for the fridge and dishwasher. The stackable design maximizes your vertical space while keeping flour, sugar, and protein powder perfectly organized. These versatile organizers are a perfect solution for anyone looking to declutter their home and simplify food prep. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.